So something we're playing with is a forward facing side door unit on a sliding door. We're looking to have Dewalt Tstack and a mixture of the Tstack organisers and the Stanley organisers on one shelf at a unit at about 750mm wide. It's looking tight, but I think we can end up having something like this. So that's what it would look like, and obviously the shelf would then pull out, but you could access both toolboxes on one shelf. The other issue we need to look at is potential weight on the shelf. If we've got excess weight over 750mm, we may need to add a front strip. So it's a little bit of give and take, but we're now trying to work out what's the best option. It'd be nice to have all three, the Tstack, Stanley organiser and the Tstack organiser with a clear lid, all being able to work on one unit, but we'll see what we can come up with.